So this is a 1962 Porsche 356, and it's the Super 90 option car. Porsche offered 60, 75, and 90 horsepower cars this year, and this is the rare 90 horsepower car, 1962. It's a factory Heron gray car. Underneath the transaxle has the compensator bar associated with the Super 90 car, and this car is equipped with disc brakes. So I'll show you a little bit about it. It's a completely restored car, again from a bare metal restoration, top to bottom, and original nomenclature used to restore the car. Mike Miller assembled it again, rebuilt the motor, transmission, all the braking systems, has gone through the entire car. New seat chrome hinges, all new chrome wheels, every piece of chrome, all the windows, all the glasses new with the original Sigma bugs. Turn shift decal, turn signals engraved before plated, 62 headlights, the original headlights. That's an original Porsche badge, not a reproduction. Beautiful fit, finish on the gaps. Original tags put back on the plates, original plates. The plates have the last 3 digits of the car below them on the inside. Original radio restored, all the instruments restored, the horns restored, keyed to the door buttons, which were also restored on the door handle locks. That's another start from just a completely cold car until I just started it today. Option aisle, no warm-up required. You see the drain holes in the body. This was a fabulous body car. Let's turn that off and show you just how the gaps work, the fit. You can listen to the door. That's the door stop in the door that you can hear. That's the door ringing when it shuts. Again, seats, seat chrome hinge, headrests, luggage straps. I had them off. They're both operating and functioning on the doors. Both dome lights. If you look in, you can see they'll go out when you close the door. Go ahead and drive this one next door. You can see it up on the lift too and see what the underneath looks like. So I'll take you through a little bit of the underside on the Super 9D Heron Gray Coupe. I mentioned earlier it's got a camber compensator bar underneath, and that's what this is here, running from side to side underneath the tranny, and we've restored that. Motor from the counterbalance crankshaft bearings, big bore piston and cylinder set, new camshaft, new gears for the camshaft and crank gear. All your mounts are new. This car has an electronic tach in it, an SC6200 electronic tach with the upgraded disc brakes. Heater cans, everything's in place the way it was delivered from new. All the disc brake calipers are replated. Everything's been powder coated. And if you look at the name on a bolt, you'll see one of the names that Porsche used, Debra, CarMax, NSF. Compensator bar in the back, stabilizer bar in the front with the bushings all replaced. Same running across. If you look up under here, you'll see all the overflow lines from the fuel, all been replated and put back in place. New shocks, horns are restored. And this shows the way the inside of the wheels have been painted like the hubs. Tried to return the car to the way it was delivered new. There's a lot more to getting it. All the way down to the little boots that are put back on for the heater control linkage bars. It's a thorough and meticulous restoration.